In so many backyards in America and Canada, people love building up landscape for privacy, and that's great. I'm all for it. I get it. It's gives you this intimate feel. It's really, really nice. So do know this. You got to put a French drain in right along the edge of your patio, an open French drain in particular, so that you can take all that water that's running away from your house and make sure you keep that water running away from your house. A lot of homeowners will build this beautiful, tranquil oasis for them to escape to, and then when it rains, when rain season comes, and they get a good rain and their patio has water on it, and they're unable to use it, it's a lot harder to put them in then, and it's going to cost you probably 3 times as much because you got to move all the existings. Now that drain was put in before all the boulders were put in, and it was ran through that storm drain in the corner. Now I don't care if it was ran to a ditch, a creek, it doesn't really matter where it discharges to. The point is, get that French drain in before you finish that patio build. All right, everybody, until that next video.